What's up? Well, I'm back. By popular demand, got word from Valyou Furniture that they'd like to incorporate me into another video. So I'm Todd. If you didn't see my widely acclaimed video on furniture flipping, Valyou Furniture, they put it up on their YouTube, and you know, I've been getting fan mail since, and it's been wild. My life has been changing for the better. I shop actually at higher scale thrift shops now. No more Goodwill for me, so it's been pretty good. Wife's still around. She definitely does not know what I'm doing still, but she doesn't need to know. She doesn't even go on YouTube. It's fine. Anyway, so I'm out here today because Valyou sent me an email. You guys sent me the email about doing another video, and I'm pretty stoked about it. I didn't even read the email, to be quite honest. From Valyou. All right, so the email says it's a promotion for the sophomoric return of Valyou's Fugly Furniture contest. Okay. The furniture brand asks entrants to submit a photo of their ugliest piece of furniture. Well, why on God's green earth would anyone want to see that? Okay. Then open voting will decide which piece is crowned fugliest of them all. Oh God. I probably should have read the email. Aside from internet notoriety, the unlucky winner will receive a brand new replacement piece of furniture from Valyou. No. This ain't, no, you can't. That doesn't make any sense. Rewarded with internet notoriety and beautiful Valyou furniture for that? I find beauty, not fugly furniture. I should be looking for the golden nuggets in the mud of a bayou, not the cockroaches that scurry across the walnut floors. Oh, sweet walnut. Okay, no. I'm gonna make a quick call. 1 second. Yeah, this is Todd. How you guys doing? Yeah, yeah, that's right. Furniture flipper extraordinaire. Yeah. Hey, so listen. I came out here to the shoot, and I just wasn't aware of this whole fugly furniture contest. To be honest, it's a little out of my comfort zone. Yeah, the ugly. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just thinking, you know, why fugly? Why fugly furniture? How about fun and happy? Have you thought of that? Like fun and happy furniture? Fappy furniture. That's genius. Did your marketing team give that a whirl? How about beautiful and amazing furniture? Amazing. I don't know. You can get your people on it, but I'm not gonna do ugly furniture. It just goes against my internal being. To be quite honest, it's in my contract. What do you mean? I signed already? I don't. Was that a PDF? Oh, okay. You'll take all the nice furniture you gave me? Okay. Oh, and I won't get paid. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So today, we're gonna go and look for some fugly furniture for this Fugly Furniture contest. So let's go find some fugly furniture. Fug me. Well, here we are at a dumpster. Usually I'm out looking for whimsical treasures, but today we're gonna be looking for something awful. Let's try this again. What am I doing? Yeah, no. Hold the phone. Wait, this could be a great flip. Not today. Not today. Oh my God. These people are crazy. Wait, I don't usually flip guitars, but this could be at least $50. I'm gonna save this for later. What's a sad song? That got in my eye. Oh God. Nope. I guess I should talk about strategy or something. Okay, so really what we're gonna go for here is just look for trash that's not as trashy. Oh look, that guy just put away some trash in a trash can. As you all know, I was looking for beautiful furniture in our furniture flips. That's what I do. I'm a furniture flipper. And you know, I think similarly, when you're looking for a fugly piece of furniture, you really want to look for some key things. You want to look for, do I want to sit in it? Will I not feel comfortable in it? And may I contract a disease by sitting on it? These are the key things you want to look for in your fugly furniture. So right now we're going to be strolling through these, what we would call the less savory sites of Long Beach. The higher the crime rate, the better, honestly, if you're looking to win this contest. That's where our prime pieces of fugly furniture will be found. You know, I'd say if I really wanted to, maybe my best advice is probably to just follow your nose. The scent will usually put you on the trail of some nasty furniture pieces. All right, let's see. Fugly furniture checklist. What do we want from our fugly piece of furniture? Well, first off, you want to see old, decrepit build. Possible splinters on the seat, if it's something you're gonna sit on. If it's a table, you want splinters on your hand. Off colors. The winner of this contest should maybe have a little bit of blood. Maybe a little blood on the piece of furniture. Tears. Possibly just like a missing leg on like a chair. The more unstable, the better. If there should be a mild fear to even touch it. That's what I'm looking for. Mild traces of asbestos. Haunted. There should be maybe the sense that there is a demon spirit that resides within this piece. Wow. Look at that. Found something. How depressing. Yeah. That is the worst piece of furniture I've seen in my life. Not a single margin out of this. Okay, let's do this. What you want to do is just pretty much just okay. Let's see what we got here. To enter Valyou's furniture contest, 1, make a hashtag Valyou FFC sign. Place sign on piece of furniture you want to be replaced. Take pic and email contest at valuefurniture.com. Again, that is valuefurniture.com. Hope you're happy. Do you even know what you've done? I mean, this is an insult to the craft. I parked this way. Insult to the craft, absolutely mind-boggling. I can't believe this is happening. I sold my soul. I sold my soul. I'm going to hell. I'm going to hell because of the furniture flipping thing. I'm a furniture flipper, for God's sake. I mean, I feel like a little bit entrapped here, honestly. I mean, true, I did read the contract and everything, but like, I mean, I should have known. Idiot, I should have known. I just should have known that I was being bamboozled, essentially. It was just a bamboozle.